Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. I'm planning to go to Canada. When I was doing research about my course and institute, I came to know that English test is a must. Obviously, I heard a lot about IELTS, that it is the most preferred English language test. I met multiple people who said it was not an easy test to pass, and people generally don't get good scores. But honestly, I didn't feel like that. It was a very smooth journey for me. I visited the IELTS website where I found a lot of course material and free tests available for anyone to use, and I used them to prepare for my exam. After that, I took my IELTS test and got 7.5 bands. I'm waiting for my visa to go to Toronto. There are multiple English language tests, but I find IELTS to be the most credible one because I don't want to get into trouble when I land in Canada. Finally, my dream has come true to go to Canada. In the end, I will advise you not to listen to other people. Just go ahead with IELTS and fulfill your dream of going to Canada. Canada means IELTS. See you there.